What's up, people? Welcome back to the Hit the Bid program. We've got something special for you. You can probably notice that I'm not in the office, and I probably won't be going back to an office until the studio is built, so we can come to you live. This is our test run. Was home last night. Gotta say, me and my wife, we had some dolphin sex last night, if you know what that is. I asked my wife, come on, can we have some sex tonight? She said, But we're here in Astoria, one of my many on-site locations, and today we're going to go live back to Wall Street with our new host, or co-host if you will, Marisa Gregory. She's waiting out there, going to be hitting the streets today just so I can have a day off, and we'll try to have some more fun, because even if I'm not trading, at least you can come to the hitthebid.net station and have a few laughs while the market is in turmoil. And like I said, please stay away from the market right now. Come hang out. If you want to come down to Wall Street, I'm going to throw a party sometime in the next few weeks. We'll get drunk, we'll laugh about all the money that we're losing, and we'll take it from there. So let's go check out Marisa, and I'll see you guys later.
Thanks very much, Jefferson. I'm Marisa Gregory for HitTheBid.net, here to give you a little bit of a news update. Looking at the stock market, it's actually looking pretty resilient, though there are some skeptics who are worried to get into something new, worried to invest their money on something that they think could be hanging on by a thread. As far as houses are concerned, we have some foreclosures, and don't think this is just affecting the common man like you and me. I hear that Britney's actually moving out of Hollywood. It breaks my heart to hear that. I don't know if she might have to move to 10 minutes away from Hollywood, be a little bit more of a commute. Evander Holyfield, also foreclosure. First he loses his ear, now he's losing his home. Michael Jackson, never going back to Never Never Land. It's really depressing. So Jefferson, I don't think that you're the only one with so many problems.
Yeah, great. Thanks. Glad I'm not the only one having an awful time. You know, that's the one thing I have that at least I did something smart. I put down a lot of money on my house, so at least I feel like I have some equity in there, even though the price of my house has fallen, I guess, 10 or so % since the highs. But I'm not selling, so I don't really care. But as far as the stock market's concerned, today looked like it was going to rally there at the beginning of the day. We were down, 100 or so points, had a little bit of a rally. So if you made money in that rally, call it a day. Walk away from the desk. I can't stress enough right now that it's just not a good time to be trading, no matter how smart you think you are. But again, when I'm at the desk and I am actively trading, the joys and wonders is that I'm always going to be wrong. And in an environment like this, you got to see me. Over the last 2 weeks, I think I've been 95% wrong, completely wrong. Ins, outs, exits, entries, everything's been wrong. So if you've been doing the complete opposite of what I've been doing, the profits are amazing. But right now, enough of me. I want to go back to my new star of the show. Let's see what she's up to. Marisa!
Thanks very much, Jefferson. I'm Marisa Gregory from the Balls of the Bull, right here to Beaver Street and everyone in between. We're actually going to head up a little bit that way and go to the stock exchange and see how the big men on campus feel about everything right now. Excuse me, sir. How are you doing today?
Okay.
Yeah, I was wondering if I could just take a minute of your time and maybe get some opinions on things. Is that all right?
Is this for payment?
No, no pay. You can have my respect and gratitude, and you can actually see yourself on HitTheBid.net. That's about it.
HitTheBid.net, what is this?
This is about stocks, the economy, world events that are going on. Very informative, very entertaining. Also sex, drugs, rock and roll, and finance. So,
I love to sex. Is this what you do?
To sex?
I love to sex.
You love to sex?
Yes.
The Hit the Bid does a lot of that. Me, not so much.
I don't understand. Explain. Explain to me like child.
About the sex or about the Hit the Bid?
I like to know about what are you implying? Is this not a pedophile thing? Everywhere I go, people doing pedophile jokes. I don't understand. Do you smoke?
I do smoke. Are you saying that you are a pedophile?
No. I say little, you said sex, little sex. Forget it. It's
little kids.
Yeah, I'm not implying anything.
Little kid sex.
Yes, no, let's just change subject. What is HitBid?
Okay, Hit the Bid is actually a website, and a lot of people are actually making, there's a camera there.
This man?
Yes.
Hello. I want to say hello to Ivan Yakhmonov. Hello, I told you I'd be on street. This is, I make it all the way down to Wall Street. Still cannot find Lucky Strike, no filter soft pack. I don't know, but I'm here.
This actually isn't live. Your friend's not going to hear you saying that right now. But I wanted to actually ask you a few things. Do you know anything about the stock market?
I love stock market. IPO.
UPO.
IPO.
IPO.
IPO. I buy IPO and stock go up and I sell out and I make lots of money. IPO. You know IPO?
I know IPO. Do you know IPO?
I know IPO. IPI IPO.
Okay, okay. So you've made some money off of that.
Yes, IPI IPO. It is IPI IPO.
Brought by the letters IPO.
Yes.
Right.
Initial public offering. It is stock. I don't know. Broker called me, says this is good. I listen to him, and he set up dummy account. Oh, maybe I shouldn't be saying much of this, but
Dummy account.
yes, forget. You this website, you make money?
Yeah, we're actually making lots of people money. Just here, me right here. It's okay. Just doing an interview, you know. But people, we help them out with stocks, give them some information. Our star actually is Jefferson Kroll. And have you heard of Jefferson Kroll?
Kroll?
Kroll.
Kroll?
With an R. Kroll?
Kroll?
Yeah.
I
kind
cannot.
of. That's okay.
Kroll?
Yeah, I know you can't say your
It's
R's.
hard.
All right. Well, we also talk a little about the economy and whatnot.
Yes?
Do you know anything about the economy, how it's affecting you?
This economy, Russia doing well now. It is a stealth market. No one seems to like to talk about this market in Russia, but it is up and coming. It is we are siphoning through ashes in Russia, and we're doing very well.
Sifting through ashes.
Sifting.
Sifting
Sifting,
through ashes.
yes.
And finding diamonds?
We're finding companies making large amounts of money, and as long as you can stay away from corrupt corporate executives, then you can make money as well.
Awesome. So that's good advice. But are you making money in Russia? Or are you making money here?
A little bit of both. I love is America, a good country. It's cash. A lot of thing cash business. They give me food stamp. I buy clothes with the food stamp.
But I thought you
I buy
had so
clothes.
much money.
Yeah, but they send me food stamp anyway. I don't understand.
That's not right.
They think I'm going to use to buy a Triscuit, but I buy hat.
Wow, that's amazing.
Yes.
Can you do me a favor and look into the camera, say your name, and say that you have permission to use this on our website?
Okay, my name is Yuri Shokitbrod, and I give permission to use whatever you just want.
All right.
This good?
That's awesome. IPO.
IPO, IPI, IPO, IPI, IPI, IPO, IPI, IPO.
Let's go over here, okay?
Thank you.
So it's, what was it? Your real name is?
Carlos de la Cerda the third,
The third.
and I use Chuck Cerda.
Okay, just so
eliminate
it's easier.
eliminate a little bit of prejudice, easier, you know.
Oh, prejudice. You get that a lot?
Well, I mean, I'm a broker calling, you know, for somebody to send you $1 million, 100 grand to a stranger. They don't know if you're white, you're black, or.
Ah.
So, you know, sometimes you call in the South, it might make a little bit different. I don't know.
No,
but
I
It is
understand.
easier to say, though, too.
Okay. So you work here. How
44.
exciting. I've been waiting to interview you. That's awesome. So what can you tell me that's going on with the stock market right now?
Rocking and rolling.
Rocking and rolling.
Rocking. We're doing extremely well. Admit of what everybody is saying. Us as brokers, we're doing well. There's got to be people making money, and they still have faith too. But we're doing extremely well. As new business-wise, we actually had a record month last month. So we're doing extremely, extremely well.
So everything's going fine with the stock market. What's going on with the economy? Has that affected you at all? You're doing fine, but do you notice?
I'm doing fine myself. Sometimes I do hear people, you know, I do get that excuse on the phone. I don't know if they're saying it honestly. I got to believe some are, but we're still doing well account-wise, new account-wise. We're doing well raising money. We're doing well, and I would think, I mean, I've seen brokerage firms going out of business. Happens all the time. New ones start up, but I would think there's other brokerage firms sharing our success. I wouldn't think we're the only ones.
So let's sum up that interview real quick.
Thank you so much. Can you do me a favor? Look into the camera, say your name, and say that you have permission.
My name is Carlos de la Cerda III. My 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 client,
Right now.
rocking and rolling.
Rocking and roll right now.
Rocking and rolling.
Rocking and roll right now.
Rocking and rolling.
Rocking and roll right now.
Rocking and rolling.
Rocking and rolling.
My broker name is Chuck Cerda. My broker name is Carlos Della Cerda. Carlos Della Cerda III. My Carlos Della Cerda III. Carlos Della Cerda III.